everyone, I'm Greg, and today I just want to give you a quick rundown on these cabinets here. I am deglossing and cleaning. So this is step one of our process, and let me show you real quick. We use a degreaser here, and that will degloss it and clean it. So you just spray it on the concentrate on like that, and we use a green scrubby pad. Scrub it down real quick. This will help break up the finish. It looks a little wet, but you don't let it sit. You do it pretty quick and hit the edges. Do everything. Get both of them. Since we're here, see, it just takes off all the stuff that's on there, all the grease, and it actually, you don't see it right yet, but it does actually take the finish off. Not all the way, but it just deglosses. That way your primer can stick to it. But most of all, kitchens are usually kind of dirty and greasy, so this is a really good process to start with. And that's going to be good. Our next step will be let it dry, and then we will be sanding these. So for today, this is Greg with Spates Painting and Kitchen Cabinet Painters near me. See you next time.